Welcome to English Focus Room.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Focus Room. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Noah. Hi, friends. So good to see you again.
Noah, where are we today? Look behind me.
Oh, wow. Are we in a supermarket?
Yes, today we are at the supermarket. Well, not really, but we will pretend.
I love it. Last time we talked about seasons. Today we talk about shopping.
Exactly. Going to the supermarket is something we all do, right?
Of course, every week, sometimes every day.
So today we learn words and phrases for shopping, very useful for beginners.
Perfect. Okay, Sophia, let's go shopping. But first, what do we need?
Good question. We need a shopping list.
A shopping list. I always forget my list at home.
Me too. But today we have a list. Let's look at it together.
Okay, what's on the list?
We need apples, bananas, milk, bread, eggs, and water.
Simple. Okay, let's find these things.
Wait, Noah. First, we need a shopping cart.
Oh, right, a shopping cart or a basket.
If you buy just a few things, take a basket. For many things, take a cart.
Good tip. We have 6 things. Maybe a basket is okay.
I agree. Okay, let's go.
First, apples. Where are the apples?
Apples are in the fruit and vegetables section.
Fruit and vegetables. Ah, yes, over there.
Look at all these apples. Red apples, green apples. Which ones do you like, Noah?
I like red apples. They're sweet.
Me too. Okay, let's take 4 red apples.
How do we ask for apples? Do we need to weigh them?
Good question. In some supermarkets, you weigh them yourself. You put them in a bag, then put the bag on a scale.
A scale. What's that?
A scale is the machine that tells you the weight. It gives you a sticker with a price.
Oh, I see. And in other supermarkets?
In other supermarkets, they weigh at the checkout. The cashier weighs them for you.
Cashier. That's the person who takes our money, right?
Exactly. Good job, Noah.
Ha, I'm learning. Okay, apples in the basket. Next, bananas.
Bananas are also in the fruit section. Look, here they are.
How many bananas should we take?
Let's take 3 bananas. Not too many, not too few.
Perfect. 3 bananas. Do we weigh bananas too?
Yes, same as apples. Put them in a bag and weigh them.
Got it. Okay, next on the list, milk.
Milk is in the dairy section.
Dairy section. What's that?
Dairy means things made from milk, like milk, cheese, yogurt, butter.
Ah, I love cheese. Can we buy cheese too?
Maybe next time. Today we just need milk.
Okay. So where is the dairy section?
It's usually at the back of the store. Let's go.
Wow, so much milk. Big bottles, small bottles. Which one do we take?
Let's take 1 liter. That's a good size.
1 liter. Got it. Do we need to weigh milk?
No, milk comes in a bottle. It's already packed. We just take it.
Easy. Okay, milk in the basket. Next, bread.
Bread is in the bakery section.
Bakery. That's where they make bread, right?
Yes, sometimes they have fresh bread. It smells so good.
I love the smell of fresh bread.
Me too. Okay, let's find the bread. Do you like white bread or brown bread?
I like brown bread. It's healthier.
Good choice. Let's take 1 brown bread. Is it in a bag?
Yes, usually bread is in a bag, or sometimes you take it with tongs.
Tongs? What are tongs?
Tongs are the metal things you use to pick up bread, like this.
Yes, so you don't touch the bread with your hands.
Exactly. Okay, bread in the basket. Next, eggs.
Eggs are in the dairy section too, or sometimes in a special section.
Let's go back to dairy. I see eggs. How many eggs?
Let's take 6 eggs. That's half a dozen.
Half a dozen. I learned a new word. A dozen is 12. Half a dozen is 6.
Smart, Noah. Okay, eggs. Be careful, they're fragile.
What's fragile?
Fragile means easy to break, so don't drop them.
Oh, good to know. I will be very careful.
Last thing on our list, water.
Water is easy. Where is the water?
Usually in the drinks section. Let's find it.
Look, here it is. Big bottles, small bottles, sparkling water, still water.
I like still water, no bubbles.
Me too. Let's take one big bottle.
Perfect. Okay, we have everything. Apples, bananas, milk, bread, eggs, and water.
Now what? We go to the checkout?
Yes, time to pay.
Look at the lines. Which one should we choose?
Let's find a short line. That one has only 2 people.
Good idea. Okay, let's wait.
Now it's our turn. The cashier will scan our items.
Scan. Like beep beep?
Yes, beep beep. The machine reads the barcode.
Barcode. That's the black and white lines on the package.
Exactly. You're so smart today, Noah.
I'm trying.
Okay, the cashier says that will be $12.50.
$12.50. How do we pay?
You can pay with cash or card.
I usually pay with card. It's easier.
Me too. So we say, I'll pay by card, please.
I'll pay by card, please. Good phrase.
And then the cashier gives us a receipt.
Receipt. That's the paper with the prices.
Yes, you keep it in case you need to return something.
Good to know. Okay, we paid. Now we pack our things.
Do you bring your own bags, Noah?
I sometimes forget. Then I buy bags at the store.
Same. It's better to bring your own bags. Better for the environment.
You're right. Okay, everything is packed. Let's go home.
Wait, did we forget anything? Let's check the list.
Apples, bananas, milk, bread, eggs, water. Yes, we have everything.
Perfect. Shopping is done.
Whew, I'm tired. Shopping is hard work.
But it's good practice for our English.
True. Okay, now let's review some important words.
Great idea. Let's practice together with our viewers.
I'll say a word and you repeat. Ready? Shopping list.
Shopping list.
Shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Basket.
Basket.
Fruit and vegetables.
Fruit and vegetables.
Dairy section.
Dairy section.
Bakery.
Bakery.
Checkout.
Checkout.
Barcode.
Barcode.
Pay by card.
Pay by card.
Cash.
Cash.
Receipt.
Receipt.
Wonderful. Great job, everyone.
Now you know how to go shopping in English.
Yes, next time you go to the supermarket, try to use these words.
Say to yourself, I need apples. Where's the fruit section?
Or, I'll pay by card, please. Simple. We want to hear from you, dear viewers.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy at the supermarket? Write one sentence like, I usually buy milk and bread, or I love buying fruit.
We read every comment. We love hearing from you.
You are like family to us. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for being here and learning with us.
Remember, little by little, you improve every day.
Okay, friends, it's time to say goodbye.
See you next time on English Focus Room.
Bye for now.